Hey everyone! Believe it or not, you can actually start a successful business with $0. Yup, no money at all. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple secrets that will help you get started from scratch and become a successful business owner. First, you need to decide what kind of business you want to run. Since we're starting with no money, selling products isn't an option because you'd need inventory, which is risky and costly. Instead, focus on a service-based business. This means you're offering a service, not a physical product. The best part? There's little risk because you don't need inventory, and almost all the money you earn is profit. In my next video, I'll share 10 service-based business ideas that cost $0 to start, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. To figure out what service you want to offer, ask yourself, what do you enjoy doing? List everything you find fun. What are you good at? It could be drawing, cleaning, coding, anything. What services are in demand? Think about what people need, like graphic design, window cleaning, or software development. If you want a personal template to help you find the perfect business for you, drop a comment below and I'll create one just for you. Before you can start marketing your services, you need to figure out your rates. If you're just starting, it's best to charge an average rate. Do some research on what other businesses charge and then set your prices a bit lower to attract clients. Be confident in your skills and stick to your rates. If you negotiate too much, clients might think you're not skilled. Once you have a few clients, you can start increasing your rates. 3. Establish your business. Starting with $0 means you need to start small. Let's say you're starting a window cleaning business. Use the cleaning products you already have at home instead of buying new ones. You can buy new supplies once you start making money. Start by marketing your business to people you know, local communities, and on social media. If you're lucky, you might get 10 clients to start with, and that's perfect. 4. Reinvest in your business. Here's a secret many people don't share. When you start making money, don't spend it on personal stuff like new shoes or a phone. Reinvest it into your business. This could mean buying better equipment or collaborating with online creators to promote your services. Reinvesting your earnings will help your business grow and make more money. 5. Hire an employee. Once your business has a steady income, consider hiring someone to help. For example, if you're making $5,000 a month and your goal was $3,000, you can afford to hire a part-time employee. This can lead to 2 types of wealth. Money. Wealth. Hiring more employees can increase your business's capacity and profits. Time wealth. Sharing the workload allows you to keep earning while gaining more free time to enjoy your life. If you want to know more about service-based businesses that cost $0 to start, my next video will cover that. Subscribe for more money-making secrets and let me know in the comments if you need help with anything. You can even email me. Have a great day and keep that money mindset strong.